Ready for adventure? Dive into the top day trips from Zurich and explore beautiful landscapes, historic destinations, and outdoor activities.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on an engaging walking tour of Zurich, where you'll uncover the rich history and vibrant culture of this picturesque city under the guidance of a knowledgeable local guide. Immerse yourself in the city's secrets and hidden gems as you explore. Take time to appreciate the stunning views from the banks of Lake Zurich, including iconic landmarks like the harbor and Quaybrit Bridge. Discover lesser-known spots such as Bellevue Square, which offers a serene escape amidst the urban landscape. Throughout the tour, engage with informative segments that delve into intriguing aspects of Zurich, including its symbolic role for lions and the significance of dance in the region's cultural tapestry. Travel from Zurich to explore scenic natural landscapes and historic landmarks within dramatic Swiss-German Borderstraverse, a wine-rich region dotted with charming villages and picturesque vistas before reaching Laufen-Admire, the spectacular medieval castle of Schloss Laufen, and the awe-inspiring Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. Ascend aboard a panoramic lift for unparalleled views of the cascading waters, which average approximately 700,000 liters per second. Wine. Embark on an optional boat ride beneath the falls for a more immersive experience and continue onward through Schaffhausen. Renowned for its Muno fortresses, you drive past gently rolling vineyards and farming villages. Enjoy stunning views of the countryside. Visitors are invited to experience the rich history and intricate craftsmanship behind chocolate at the Lindt Home of Chocolate Museum located adjacent to the historic Lindt and Sprüngli factory. This unique destination offers an immersive audio-guided tour that traces the extraordinary transformation of cocoa beans into exquisite chocolate. Upon entry, visitors are greeted by an awe-inspiring chocolate fountain, measuring nearly 9 meters high, symbolizing the grand scale of the chocolate-making process. This engaging centerpiece serves as a gateway to an educational journey through multimedia exhibits that chronicle the global conquest of chocolate and its transformative impact on society. Upon embarking upon the coach trip, travelers traverse the scenic landscape of northern Switzerland, passing through the picturesque village of Martelen. Characterized by its traditional frame dwellings, noteworthy landmarks include the 16th century Muno fortress and the region's celebrated vineyards. The most anticipated segment of the journey involves witnessing the majestic Rhine Falls, situated along the upper Rhine River and dating back to the Ice Age. During the summer months, guests may opt to embark on an exclusive boat excursion to the central portion of the waterfall, offering unparalleled views from observation decks. Visitors can explore the picturesque shooting locations of the popular Korean drama Crash Landing on You by taking part in a full-day private tour. Commences at the hotel lobby in Zurich, before proceeding to the charming town of Interlaken, known for its natural beauty and historic charm. The journey begins with a visit to the majestic Giesbach waterfall, followed by the grandiose Grand Hotel Gesbach. Here, guests can witness the serene surroundings where Ri Jong Hyok studied as a student in Switzerland. Subsequently, they proceed to the picturesque village of Eiseltwald, located along Lake Brienz. A highly skilled and experienced local tour guide and chauffeur will lead an exclusive private car journey through Switzerland, offering unparalleled insights into its most secret gems and historical cultural highlights. This meticulously planned itinerary allows for a comprehensive exploration of the country's scenic wonders within a limited time frame. Throughout the trip, your knowledgeable escort will share fascinating anecdotes and detailed explanations about the region and the broader Swiss context. Emphasizing a personalized experience, this tour caters to visitors seeking authenticity and immersion into the local culture. Embark on a captivating bus day trip from Zurich, where visitors can immerse themselves in the enchanting alpine world of High Departure, begins near the centrally located Zurich HB train station, offering easy access via pickup service upon arrival. Board a spacious coach equipped with modern amenities, ensuring comfort during the journey. As the vehicle navigates towards Rapperswil, passengers enjoy breathtaking views of the Swiss landscape as they traverse the charming old town. Here, marvel at the medieval castle amidst the picturesque scenery, allowing ample free time to explore the town's historic charm.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.